Staring at a massive blank canvas can be very intimidating, but the secret is working in layers. Step 1, limit your palette, pick 3 or 5 colors, and define the mood before you ever touch a brush. Step 2, the base. Kill the blank canvas and lay down a heavy underpainting and use the palette knife and brushes and start creating some raw designs and texture. This eliminates that blank canvas anxiety and creates deep layers that peek through to the final piece. 3, you start building larger shapes. A roller or an absolute largest brush and bold, massive sweeping movements, and focus entirely on balancing heavy blocks of colors across the canvas. Or you're creating this contrast and depth, bringing in your brightest highlights and deepest darks, and composition and layering, glazing, and drier sections, and painting three-dimensional looks. Step 5, you start coming to the finish line, refining your marks, taking a step back, fine brushes, paint markers, energetic lines and cuts. Once it feels right, let it sit and rest, and then tell a story and how this new abstract was designed and created.